Welcome to Top Tech Picks YouTube channel, where we're all about helping you stay up to date with the latest in tech. Today we're focusing on the best PC case 2023. That's right, if you're planning to build or upgrade your PC setup this year, a high-quality case should be at the top of your shopping list. Not only does it house and protect your valuable components, but the right case can offer optimal airflow, noise reduction, and even contribute to your system's overall aesthetic. Stick around as we delve into the top PC cases hitting the market in 2023, covering everything from compact and sleek designs to the most feature-packed, high-performance cases. You won't want to miss this. Number 5. Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower E-ATX PC Case. The Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower E-ATX PC case is a top contender for the title of Best P Case 2023, offering an outstanding blend of design, performance, and features. With its sleek white finish, it brings an unrivaled aesthetic appeal to your gaming or work setup. This case stands out for its exceptional space management, accommodating multiple motherboard sizes, including E-ATX, ATX, Micro ATX, and Mini ATX. The 7000X provides ample space for multiple radiators, fans, and a multitude of high-end components, making it perfect for building a top-tier system in 2023. One notable feature is the integrated iCUE smart lighting and case lighting, illuminating your build with stunning customizable RGB lighting. The case's 3 tempered glass panels allow you to showcase these lights in your components from multiple angles, making it a visual treat for any tech enthusiast. Airflow and cooling are critical aspects of any PC case, and the 7000X doesn't disappoint. The design offers optimal ventilation and comes with 3 Corsair SP140 RGB light fans for efficient cooling. The cable routing system and ample storage capacity further accentuate the case's functionality. With multiple SSD trays and HDD bays, your storage needs are well catered to. In summary, the Corsair iCUE 7000X RGB Full Tower E-ATX PC case strikes an exceptional balance between style and functionality. It's not just a PC case, but a statement piece for your setup, making it a strong contender for the best PC case of 2023. If you're looking for a high-performance, visually striking case for your next build, this might just be it. Number 4. Fractal Design North Charcoal Black Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case. Stepping into the future of PC cases, the Fractal Design North Charcoal Black, Wood Walnut Front, Mesh Side Panels, ATX Airflow Mid-Tower PC Gaming Case is an exquisite blend of design aesthetics and high-performance functionality. A prime contender for Best P Case 2023, it's a sophisticated choice for gamers and professionals alike. The rich walnut wood front is a charming break from traditional designs, giving the case a warm, distinctive look. The charcoal black body further enhances this elegance, making it an attractive addition to any workspace or gaming station. The case's ample space accommodates a full ATX motherboard, and its smart design ensures efficient cable management, keeping your build clean and uncluttered. Its mesh side panels promote excellent airflow, critical for maintaining optimum temperatures and system performance. One of the standout features is its inclusion of 2 140mm aspect POM fans. These pre-installed fans work seamlessly to provide efficient cooling, ensuring your high-end components run smoothly even during intense gaming or heavy workload sessions. USB Type-C support adds to the case's modern functionality, enabling fast data transfer and quick device charging. With space for multiple drives and expansion cards, it's a versatile case that can cater to various build requirements. The Fractal Design North Charcoal Black is more than just a PC case. Its unique blend of aesthetic charm and top-notch features make it a fantastic choice for those seeking both style and performance in their 2023 PC builds. For a PC case that performs as good as it looks, this model is a commendable option. Number 3. Thermaltake Series 500 Snow Edition Mid-Tower E-ATX Computer Case. When it comes to making a statement with your PC build, the Thermaltake Series 500 Snow Edition Mid-Tower E-ATX Computer Case is a formidable contender for the title of Best P Case 2023. It seamlessly merges captivating aesthetics with high-end functionality, delivering a PC case that stands out both in looks and performance. The Stow Edition captures immediate attention with its pristine white finish. It makes a strong impression, adding a touch of sophistication and a clean, modern aesthetic to your setup. The tempered glass side panel flaunts your PC's internals in style, showcasing the beauty of your components and their glow, especially with the vibrant colors of the pre-installed ARGB fans. The 4 PWM ARGB fans ensure efficient cooling for your high-performance components. Their customizable lighting is a spectacle, adding a dynamic visual element to your gaming rig. The rotational PCI slots and GPU holder provide flexibility in configuration, allowing you to display your graphics card vertically or horizontally as per your preference. Adding to its functionality, the Ceres 500 supports E-ATX motherboards, offering a generous interior space to work with. The case is also equipped with convenient cable management options, ensuring a tidy, organized build. What sets it apart is the inclusion of a 3-year warranty, a testament to Thermaltake's confidence in the quality and durability of their product. The Thermaltake Series 500 Stow Edition is a stellar choice for PC enthusiasts looking to make a bold statement with their 2023 build. It's not just a PC case, it's a celebration of style, performance, and superior design. Number 2. Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact Black Tower Computer Case. The Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact is an embodiment of sleek, compact, and highly functional design, earning it a spot in the competition for the Best P Case 2023. Its carefully crafted features are tailored to meet the demands of PC builders who prioritize space efficiency without compromising on performance. Encased in a deep black finish, the Meshify 2 Compact exudes an air of sophistication and elegance. The dark-tinted tempered glass window provides a muted but stylish glimpse into your PC's internals, perfect for builders who prefer a more understated aesthetic. The highlight of this model is its exceptional high airflow design. The strategically placed vents, coupled with the potential to accommodate additional fans or radiators, ensure optimal temperature control for your high-performance components, enhancing their efficiency and lifespan. The Meshify 2 Compact, true to its name, provides a compact form factor without skimping on interior space. It comfortably supports ATX motherboards and multiple GPUs, offering builders ample flexibility. The inclusion of a removable top panel and a fully adjustable interior makes the assembly process a breeze. Fractal Design's dedication to clean builds is evident in their user-friendly cable management system. Combined with the vertical PSU shroud and concealed drive mounts, your build is guaranteed to look clean and organized. If you're on the lookout for a compact high-performance PC case for your 2023 build, the Fractal Design Meshify 2 Compact delivers in spades. It is a testament to Fractal Design's reputation for combining form and function into a beautifully designed package. Number 1. Cooler Master Cosmos C700P. Cooler Master's Cosmos C700P Black E-ATX Full Tower PC case is a stunner, promising a remarkable blend of aesthetics and performance that would make it a strong contender for the Best P Case 2023. Embodying Cooler Master's mastery in design, the Cosmos C700P brings versatility and cutting-edge features in one package. The stunningly futuristic design, dominated by its unique curved tempered glass panel, sets the Cosmos C700P apart from the rest. This elegant panel offers a panoramic view of your components, beautifully illuminated by the case's customizable ARGB lighting, sure to make your build the envy of all. Functionality and flexibility are at the heart of the Cosmos C700P. Its roomy E-ATX full tower frame provides ample space for top-tier hardware and intricate cooling setups, supporting the most ambitious PC builds. The case's design enables a highly flexible interior layout, accommodating multiple configurations to suit your unique needs. One of the most striking features of the Cosmos C700P is its diverse liquid cooling layout. This innovative design caters to enthusiasts and performance seekers, allowing you to optimize your cooling solution for maximum efficiency. As expected in modern PC cases, the Cosmos C700P includes a USB Type-C port, providing super-fast data transfer and convenience. Cooler Master also ensures a clean and organized look, thanks to its intelligent cable management system. In a nutshell, the Cooler Master Cosmos C700P Black E-ATX Full Tower is not just a PC case, it's a statement. If you're aiming for a standout build in 2023, this PC case offers the perfect blend of elegance, flexibility, and high-end functionality.